Planks exercise is a very common and very effective core strengthening exercise, but often done incorrectly. Come, let us learn the right way to do it, the planks exercise. While you go down, make sure that your elbows are right under your shoulders. Do not join your hands, keep them apart. Body weight supported only on your toes and your elbow and forearms. Now, first common mistake is we tend to either squeeze in our shoulder blades or keep them too high. They should be placed just right, flat. Often we tend to arch or hump out. Either of two is not good. You have to tilt your pelvis posteriorly, keep your back flat and body torso parallel to the floor. Keep your knees straight. Hold this position as long as you can, and while secured the right position, breathe in deep and breathe out completely for as many times as you can. Also, your neck should not be falling down or extended. It should be in line with your back. You can stop when your body starts to shake. Try doing plank exercise with this perfect form and let me know in the comments how did you feel the burn.